Alrighty, so today we're going to be looking at some reverse surface area. So in this particular case, we know the surface area of this whole cylinder is 500 square meters, and we also know that the radius is 5 meters. So the only thing we don't know is the height, and that's what we're going to be looking for. So here's our full formula. Notice it's not an open one, so we're not leaving any of these sides open. The whole shape, we're looking for the entire thing. So let's pop in what we know into the formula. So 500 is the surface area, 2 times pi times 5 squared plus 2 times pi times 5 times h. So this is what we've got so far. Now let's just evaluate these two things in the calculator. So we get 500 is equal to, the first one is 157.07963. Now you'll notice I'm keeping a lot of decimals. It's because I want to keep my answer to be as exact as possible. The moment we have to round, something is going to cause a little bit of error. When we're doing a normal question, it's not so bad because usually we just type the whole thing in and go equals. When we're doing algebra though, we usually have to keep a few extra decimal places at the beginning to make our life a little bit easier. Alright, so let's evaluate the other one. So we're going to get plus, and then that's going to give us 31.41592, which rounds to 59, times h. Alrighty, so the first thing I'm going to do is subtract 157.0796 from both sides. And that will leave us with 142.9204. And on the right hand side, we'll just be left with 31.4159 times h. Now we're going to divide both sides by 31. Opposite of times is divide, so 31.4159, 31.4159. Divide both sides by that, and we are left with, on the right hand side, we're just left with h. We've solved for h, and on the left hand side, we get 10.9155, which I'm going to round to 2 meters. And that is the height of the cylinder, so around 11 meters. Now, obviously, at this point, you could go backwards and actually use the formula and check that you get close, but because we've rounded here and here and here and here, there's a chance that it might not be exactly 500 square meters, but it should be within a little bit of error of that. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.